Hello guys, so this is my latest build, uh, Legion of Thor HEMOXIAN build. One of the coolest, I think, third-party kit right now. So this kit is 1x100 scale. For the size is actually quite big, comparing to the standard Bandai 1x100. You can see this is the size comparison. It's a lot bigger, a lot larger. It stands around 23 centimeters based on the internet. And yeah, the kit has actually quite complete set. Like, you get this background from the box, from the art design, and we got one LED in the forehead, in the head unit. Let me press it first. You can see there's an LED unit there, including batteries. That's really one of a kind. Sometimes the kit didn't give you the batteries. For the kit itself, it's quite surprising because 95% of the runners, everything is undergated, so there's a clear build without knob marks, at least a minimal knob marks. For the plastic quality, I think it's the same as Bandai, yeah, not just like a standard bootleg. Have good plastic, not that cheap as plastics from maybe $10 or $5 bootleg. It got water transfers decal, but I only apply it at the front side because I'm too lazy to do that, to do everything. And yeah, this kit have quite cool gimmicks, like the hammer, but it's too heavy and I don't want to tinker with it. I'm afraid that it will tilt the models. Sorry for this scratching. So the backpack is not that overwhelming because the main point of these models is the hammer, the model itself. So it's not that overwhelming. We got jetpack for the backpack, and you can dispatch it and make it into a handgun, right? Like the let me see. Yep. Oh no, I mean you can use it as cannon. Yep, cannon and double cannon, another cannon. Yeah. But I prefer to use it like this because it looks like a bat wings. Pretty cool, right? And the other things for the building experience, so there's no PC caps in this build. Thank God I had PC caps. But the fit, not the snap fit, but the elbow and the everything, the knees, that everything, every snap that moves, the plastic is really scratchy. So you need a lot of effort. Like this knee, bro, I need a lot of effort to move this knee. So I use a grease, something like this, a grease for my keyboard, for my Swiss keyboard, to make it smoother, I guess. Yeah, to make it smoother. And then what else? The color separation is not that awesome. Not like my latest build, the RX78 Master Grade 3.0, I guess. Yes, it have a lot of color separation and cool color separation. But for this, it only have 1, 2, 3, 4 tone of colors. So yeah, not that special for the color. But I think the silhouette is the main key of this build. And yeah, the mold is original mold. I never see any mold like this. What else? Oh yes, so if you bought the first batch of the kit, the pre-order one, actually you can use it like this. You got this, you got a cape, you got a cape to, yeah, to make it wear a cape, I guess. And it's pretty cool. I pay more for this because I didn't join the pre-order, so there's two things in the market. So I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna make the THOR wear the cape. So this is the look with the cape, like this. But actually it's not that cool, I think. It's not that cool, but yeah, it's not that cool, but looks special. Mecha with a rope. There's a new thing. An actual rope, I think. I mean, look at this. Sorry for the scratch. The look from behind still have the. I think this kit gives me a Batman vibes with this kit, and with the color combination, and then the style of the backpack, the jetpack, the wings. Bro. And that's it. I think it's a bit hard to pose because it's hard, it's kinda tilting to one side because the weight, but I don't want to make it standing pose because I really like flying pose, so I bought a lot of this stand. And yeah, so this is the look for the HEMOXIAN THOR Legion. So thank you for watching and goodbye.